Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this best winter skirt combos in Dress to Impress. So we're going to style the cutest winter skirt combos that keep your avatar looking warm and runway ready. If you want to know how I can create this skirt, let me show you the steps. So in here, you can just head to the skirt itself in here and put on this skirt first, and here toggle it into add fur in here and change the color of the skirt using any patterns that you like. Here I'm going to use these patterns in here, and for the belt I'm going to change the color into this dark brown color and also black. And here the second skirt that you can add is this another winter skirt in here, and you can toggle or remove the belt or not, but I'm going to just add the belt. And for the color I'm using the same patterns in here like this, and for the fur you can use the same patterns, or you can also just leave it white like this, and just like that you are done. So this is the winter skirt combo for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.